Needing details on roofers? A roofer, roof mechanic, or roofing contractor is a construction worker who specializes in roof construction. Roofers replace, repair, and install the roofs of buildings, using a variety of materials, including shingles, bitumen, and metal. Roofing work can be physically demanding because it involves heavy lifting, as well as climbing, bending, and kneeling, often in extreme weather conditions. Throughout the world edit. In Australia, this type of carpenter is called a roof carpenter, and the term roofer refers to someone who installs the roof cladding, tiles, tin, etc. In the United States and Canada, they're often referred to as roofing contractors or roofing professionals. The most common roofing material in the United States is asphalt shingles. In the past, 3-tab shingles were used. Nowadays, architectural or dimensional shingles are becoming very popular. Depending on the region, other commonly applied roofing materials installed by roofers include concrete tiles, clay tiles, natural or synthetic slate, single ply, primarily EPDM rubber, PVC, or TPO, rubber shingles, made from recycled tires, glass, metal panels or shingles, wood shakes or shingles, liquid applied, hot asphalt/rubber, foam, fetch, and solar tiles. Contact our business as soon as possible for further information on roofers.